Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warrior LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warrior LTV. Keep it locked.
Now, I'm gonna tell you. We, us, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? Yes, set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this. Yes, brothers and sisters. Greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I, and all things good and wonderful amongst us and about us. See? Welcome viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and make it help grow the platform. See? Now, I want to give a shout out to man like Lecturer, our original authentic DJ from back in a Jump Street where, you know me I say, entertain and keep we reasonable in a desperate times. You know me I say, yeah, we give thanks. Big up yourself, Lecturer, and no say, yeah, your thing, legacy. You see it? Yes, we give thanks. Yeah, compared to some of them DJ I go on with today. We have to love them, man. That's it. I will give thanks to the endorsement. Same way. See? Now, next to the thing we want to address this man again is that the other day I man put out a little piece of video where a man observe and point out the bush them overhanging the road and things like that and a complaint. See? Now we see a different brother. I don't know if I say I don't know who. A matter of fact, now we see this brother here this morning here now we do the same thing, but you know this what I do this morning here. Yo, the man make me feel proud, 100% proud with that and alive with that. You see, anyway, it's before we get too excited. Because you know we stay, you know. We have to send enough respect to a youth called Craig Oates. See him, yeah, at that time, him Facebook name. See, now he's a youth where we say I go around and yeah, him a show we say, him a rebuild with confidence and we believe in a Jamaica as we know it, you know, as a nation can be. Single-handedly maybe, see, but it's a trend, no doubt, where if it take hold, it will benefit the whole way and make politicians look stupid. See, now, somebody messaged me the other day, come in the comment section and asked me, oh, me think we are going to change back Jamaica. You know? Most we can say to the person is, watch that brother here, watch this initiative, and, you know, it will take you straight back to the plan. So, I can watch a little piece of clip here and get back to the thing.
People, you see right that's already with the Bethel school, see? You see right in the corner here, the corner is so dangerous because the bushing come almost in the road. You understand what I say? So there right now, I try to see if we can clean up the bank side so that smooth traffic. You don't look on the car and see where it is. Look on, you have to go on the other side of the road. See? So what we do so right now, because guess what one?
Yeah.
We don't just talk about the leadership. You know what? We don't talk about leadership. We ensure so we come out and for we see people at work, we work with them, be good at community. So leaders for community. Mr. MP, this is the road they go straight to your yard and see it here. This is the bushing. So nobody, all we are going to do, we are asking for the brother, we work with the man. Take out the politics out there and work with it. Yeah.
Now the thing about it when we observe with that brother is I see have many more of them little video where him go around and certain little spot, certain little, you know me I say, certain little, yeah, with him cutlass him and him bridging and chop out certain bush. And I burn the politics and the politician them inability and non-active, non-action and inaction still. You know see it, but you know, I like so well then we it's that brother here now, I don't know if you go in the politics, if you continue along that vein there. You know see it, if I start a council or Rasta and then got MP. Because what this they know this threaten the guy them went in a power. This threaten the guy them were already established politician and thing like that. You know see, because right now you are show more initiative than them. more interest in the basic development of a community than them. See, now what go happen now is that your popularity I go up and take root and people love you and you think kick off even more popular than the boy way in the fair how many years and now they don't know. Them thing I may tell the young people them say, take the initiative and go out there, take on the politics on yourself and kick out some boy out of power west then they stagnate Jamaica and suck everything and pushing for them pocket for them and for them pick me alone. You see, man, they're not all man. Me have more grey beard than him Rasta. You see it? And him take him, yeah, that's Rasta. I man love it. I man even speechless with pride. I saw me I tell you, that's how we grow. You see it? And we observe a little thing where not right in our community, we step out and we straighten it out for ourselves. And we to offend. I'm a politician. You see it? Yes, I feel them duty and probably I them have the bulk of money and resource to come clear it, yes? But at the end of the day, I don't feed them people it our damage. You know see it? We are the strong and wait till that damage somebody then at them time that them come in and we condolence since we are mourn and I help fix it them time there. When we could have address it and save somebody's life, our loved one life, because like I say, and a politician, family and friends, I get, set back by certain little things. And still so doing Rasta. We still can't sit back and expect politicians to come do everything. Certain little thing, we have to jump around and we not have to do it, but if we not do it, come on, we can't really expect some people are going to see it for do or something when necessary. We set certain standard and by the standard them we set them know our standard and know what we need to maintain them standard there. See, if we set the record, if we don't set the pattern, if we don't lay the foundation where we are going Rasta, people are just rest back and just do what them please, just come round when it's election time and come buy with 2 liquor. And win the election and laugh after we are say boy we dress back in a Neanderthalism because at the end of the day we're supposed to grow forward and demand more consequence and action from our politicians them rather than get worse in a time where we just sit back and wait till a beer money come then we go and vote. No, these are things that change nation, generation. When a man set an example, be an example to the change we want. A member of the community. And many more shall follow. Because these videos now go just them video type of video we're gonna go viral. Them video are like some challenge video. I saw the man should I call him Craig Oates. Challenging you to clean up that area of your community. Challenge. You know what I say? Craig Oates, you're my boss. Enough respect you. Or your men, welcome to them. No more time, we show a politician and saw you embarrass politician into action, better action. This is a way as well. We can always go out and go protest on Black Road and fracking and here and that sort of sitting. But these are effective ways of ensuring a certain change because them boy are pride and not standards, but quality, legacy, and them type of thing that allow them to sit back and make poor people do all of them things for themselves. Them have to go jump in and show an initiative and make it look like say, yeah, they must part of it too. The money allocated, the money there if you do it, but the demands not there if you get it done. So them boy are just run up, see, what's we are going up here now? You think the boy are going on Craig Oates go around go find certain little disgrace for show them up with certain little simplicity because all this now. You have all 4 weed whacker and you have 4 man alone where you work with the parish council Rasta. Just 4 or 3 man, 2. With weed whacker and different equipment for service them and things like that. And you give them some days work Rasta. You said a supervisor go supervise the thing. Like Craig Oates, make him video it and then put it up on him social media and everybody see and accept the work and him, them man they get paid. You see what I say? From everybody clap and say, well done, we worker man. Yeah. politician, MP, or whoever, pay him, I say, come beat your bumbo too, as a matter of fact. What do you mean? Time now. This man have to step out and all do them own thing themselves like this. Some boy know say when you a different bumbo clock time now. You see, when you rock by your knock your door for something, you better make sure so that dead. You see, and politicians are aware of this people. And me, I say, it's just not a threat like a bad man or a bad mind thing. No, this is the nature of the direction where we are going. When we see things like them in our society, we celebrate them because them things are rebel. Them things are a rebel, the man, a rebel, they say, you know, Rasta. That's the last say I know. These are the things where create changes. This man could have been a labor right, a WPG, a UIC, or a PNP. Me no business, me no know, me make sure try to find out before me run in at this, before me do this, because then there you know partiality. And me no want to seem like a favoritism, man. You know me I say, yeah, these are the initiatives that make a nation work. Particularly one like Jamaica. You know, and to the deprivation and the rate, the type, the nature of crime today. And you know me I say, the nature of conflict, the things that cause conflicts in our society today and things like them thing there. When we say things like these, yeah, we hopeful, Rasta. Yeah, we're hopeful. You know, see, we have hopes. These are the initiatives. You know, mommy, when you get two police now, see him do this, see Craig Watts do this now, where them all just start watch and film them corrupt, dirty, nasty friend we take bribe to. And just start be the policeman we bring out and bring down corruption out of the police force. It's what the soldier them, the nurse them, the teachers them. Now when these people becomes hands-on like this, not that I'm saying people not angry enough already, you know, but not on a subversive level, not on a rebellious level. People are doing it in more coordination and, you know, in a consignment with the government's approach or address or alternative to, yeah, you know, see, but when you go some up and say, hey, bull, come here and grab the bull by the hand, Rasta. Remember me tell you, man, everybody worried. Everybody worried. Now, this is the revolution. This is a revolution. You see it? These are the things that we're talking about. These are simple things. It not have to be you have 10 billion in your pocket and you decide to go pay off a constituency to vote for you to come in politics next. Nah. These are the things. This is where it starts from. These are them. Yes, you breed from, yes, you breed good politician. Now, I used to know him Craig Watts, and it's just all the clip that I'm show for him have. Him have only part of little clips. Where I go across the island and I do them little thing the Rasta. You know, say it, and I give thanks. And I'm not him alone. We are sure this will inspire all the more general where in the system too. We can just, you know, go you build up your one spliff Rasta, you go out there with your cutlass, you put all your cup of tea on all the wall, and you chop, take a sip, but a little of your spliff, chop, by your tea, and your spliff done. You know how much work you do? If I answer to this, so Rasta, yesterday, that work they never did that. You know, see, look at this and look at that. Yes, Rasta, that bring you down, that make you less of a man. That don't make you be a boy or like say, well, then, you know, Mr. Man do things with girl, to girl, with girl, and them way they will make them look less of a man than thing like, than what this should I do. You know, see, me not say everything where a man do with them woman or fear woman make him less of a man in a Rasta. Me not say that, you know. See, me just say there are things that men do even today where them know say it make them belittle themselves as a man, but them still do it. You see, initiative like this in the community is far more uplifting and elevating to characteristics than these things when see enough man go out, you know, and them go wear them. Man go wind up himself in a dance on the place and rate and them really try to go viral. This is something where certainly would have get you looked at and people have to watch where you're dealing and observe you because, you know, you're not wait for a boy to come. You see, enough respect once more again to Craig Oates and him fraternity, whoever move with him and assist him and who come up with a plan like this, Rasta. This make my heart not stop like some butterfly there, like a little child, you know see it? Yes, Rasta. I man say hopes and I man give thanks, and if I even just in another instance here we can absorb it and feel proud, feel pride, you know, Jamaica self, yeah. Cause like I said, this I don't know, old man, this is a young youth. You see, a reasonably aged man. We leave back a legacy, a Jamaican legacy amongst our youth and youth them. We just whoops in a confusion and don't know how we reach. Yes, sir. You see, these are the strategy, and we can't give them up because again, the people them where we did have to employ them against the change, and them same one in the politics and them same one and them stupidity same way. You know see it, so we can't just dash where we culture, we plan them, we strategies for move forward, elevate ourselves and develop ourselves and them sort of thing there. No matter who it is, Rastafari is a member of the community, you're always proud of any development, any level of adjustment where you see for the positives like that. If you're a gunman and them sort of thing that you pass and you see Craig goes to chop out the bush them, right, that's all like that, you know, your community. You see, it cut back a certain level of anger, animosity, you know, out, you feel a pride, you feel a little niceness where you know just chill back and, you know what I say? Change your mind. Change your mind because it's different. No matter, yeah. Everybody know the experience of that talk about. You see, this thing not have to be a gunman or a bad man. If you come and see something, a new improvement in your community and you just, the pride where you feel just make you feel like you want to add to that improvement rather than tear it down. And you know what I say? Yeah, usually at them level of stagnation, there nothing change, not even sweep the car and sweep up. Why get to you just, no say, yeah, I eat this. This is what I say. Anyway, we're not going to try it out too long. We give thanks once again. Share, like, and subscribe. Rastafari.